Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Goals. So today in this video I'll be showing you all how to earn money online as a micro worker. So this video will be covering you all the details, how to get started, how to earn money, what type of jobs available, and all type of requirements. So overall it will be covering most of the important points about the website, which I'm going to tell you now. So stay tuned till the end guys, and try subscribing to keep your homepage updated with more online jobs. So without dragging much, I'm starting with the video, and this is the website guys, clickworkers.com. Here you can get as many jobs as possible as a micro worker, and there is no major qualification required. You just have to click on earn money as a click worker and just start earning money. So this website is basically nothing but our human level inputs are transformed to AI level. It is fed to the AI system. So here, this is an online platform that crowdsource micro workers like us to do the simple task to fed those AI systems, and to compensate those work, we micro workers will get paid from this platform in euros. So here it is, people are crowdsourced globally. So as far as I know, there is no geographical limit. The only requirement to start here is your country or the place you are living in should be able to accept PayPal or SEPA payment gateways. So if you have a PayPal, you can just get started off immediately. There is no other restrictions here. There is no other educational qualifications required to join here. So this is a great side hustle for students who are looking to earn money from your free time. You can try this one. You just need PayPal account, and to sign up with Clickworkers you need a Google account or email address. So that's it. You can just start off here, and here if you are thinking whether this one is legit or not, this is completely legit guys. There is no doubt in that. And also this is a website where you can actually carry out some small works which will give you payment. So please don't expect a lot of money from this website, like you can actually replace your 9 to 5 job or your major work. This is something like a side hustle or a part-time income which can actually give you a bit of extra money. So don't make this one, or don't have an intention that you can shift or change your whole job or your career to just earning money from this website. Is not actually possible. um, and also I would like to tell you guys that after signing up and getting into your dashboard, you won't be able to see all the jobs available, because you have to complete the assessments which are listed here. I'll show you guys in a minute. I'll show you what are assessment and how to do it. So you have to finish those assessment to see the complete list of jobs available for the assessment you have completed. So whenever you are going to finish a assessment that is listed here, you will be getting new jobs as per the completed assessment category. So I will also be listing you what all type of jobs will be available here. And also guys, I would like to show you all that here in this Clickworker website itself, under the title term Clickworker, you can see a sentence mentioning that it is not going to be a substitute. Like working here as a click worker, you cannot substitute the earning of a full-time job. That is what they have even given. So make sure you have it in the mind that this is just going to be a side hustle, a part-time earning, which is just going to give you some bucks. So we'll see in the second part the process and application, everything. So if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now after clicking on earn money from clickworker.com, you will be here in this page where you can see what all type of jobs available in clickworker.com. So as you can see, text creation, which is like you have to frame few small text paragraphs for a category or product. And data categorization, which is you have to categorize websites and other things into what category it depends upon. And another one is copy editing. It is nothing but you have to copy edit the text and correct its spelling errors and other errors, style errors and everything. So that is it. Another one is proofreading. You guys would have already known about this one. Proofreading is nothing but you have to check for grammar, style errors and spelling errors and other things. And also there is another category which where you can earn money by doing web search. Just doing a search can also get you money. This is really interesting, so you have to try it out. And other one is surveys. We all know that, we have seen so many survey websites, and this one is something like that. You are going to answer few questions and you will be getting paid for it. And other category is mystery visit. Guys, this is my favorite, I have to tell you. Mystery visit is really nice because you are going to go for a grocery shopping or any other shopping you are going. You have to take pictures and upload it to clickworker.com and you will be getting paid for that. The other one is app testing and photo capturing. App testing is nothing but you have to test already established app. You have to install it and check for what all mistakes or errors are there, and you can see it. That is it. And photo capturing is nothing but you have to take photos and upload it to Clickworker and you will be getting paid for that. And last two are audio recording and video recording. As the name suggests, you guys would have already guessed it. That is right. We have to record our audio or video and upload it and you will get paid for that. Now we'll start off by signing in. So now after signing up, you have to click earn money online as a click worker. You will be redirected to a page where you have to choose your country of residence. So after choosing it, it will show you whether it is available in your country or not. So by that you can check it. I think it is, I'm sure, actually I'm not thinking, I'm sure it is available in India and many other countries. So you can sign in and get started. Just choose your country. After choosing it, you will be getting a tab where you have to enter all your personal details and click register. You will get a mail. You have to confirm your mail. Then you are ready to go. You will be end up in your dashboard after logging in. So that is the procedure, guys. It is very similar to other websites. So just start off now. Choose your country and see whether it is available in your country or not. Now after signing up and confirming your email address, here you will be in this dashboard where you can see job section. Under that, click home. You will be able to see what all available jobs. Without completing your assessment, you will have very few. So make sure you complete all the assessments. Assessments are nothing but like qualification questions for each category. So guys, I have to tell you that the range of payment will be different. It differs upon each category. You will not get paid the same amount for every task. It will differ. So you can earn up to $9 to $11 or $12 per hour, and you will be get paid. The payment threshold is $10. I mean 10 euros. After getting the threshold of 10 euros, your payment will be processed and it will be sent to your PayPal account. As you can see, those are the limited tasks that are available without completing assessments, and I have already signed up an agreement there, which I should not be letting out what all tasks that I have completed or what all I have. So that is why I'm showing you it in a screenshot. I cannot open the task and show you. That is the agreement, guys. So click assessment and complete it so that you can get more jobs available for you. And this is really simple, guys. This is legit. You can try. If you have any doubts, do comment it below. I'll make sure I answer it as soon as possible. And that's all about the video, guys. Make sure you also update your payment settings in the account section so that you will be getting paid. And that's all, guys. Meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.